Hi, good evening, everyone. Welcome to this quick update. I'm just giving this to people on my org and those who I'm mentoring. It's going to be a private section and a private video that I'm going to send to you. It's not meant for public. Now, when you see moves like this, you are already, your emotion sets in. Are we going further down? Oh, this thing is going further down. It's not going up. And we've been saying that we're going to break this top. Yeah, that is still in place. Okay, like I said, this is the weekly time frame on euro dollar, and it's a push or a rejections and or a deep corrections, which we have seen. And we have seen that as a wave one, possible wave two, possible wave three that has ended. Of course, in an ending structure, we can see wave four coming to the vicinity of wave one, which is what it has turned to be now. Regardless of the depth of the correction, don't think that this thing will continue to go down and break this place. We still hold the view that this is wave four and we are turning up to break the top once more. Now, how do we apply ourselves? What I want to say here is that with the way things are, the price is not yet ready to bounce back to the upside. There are plenty news coming tomorrow, and we might be seeing that movement back to the upside tomorrow. Even if they want to drop the price down to this, to break this low and break this low, the price needs to correct at least 61.8, 50, between 50 and 61.8 of the move downward so far to the upside before they turn it to the downside. But I don't see that for now. I still see that we're in place, but a lot of emotions that price is generating from people that does not have any technicalities and all of that for now. Now we have to be patient. This is the daily time frame. So what I can see here, we can see that so far to the upside is like a three-wave move, 1, 2, 3 to the upside. Within this itself with 3, and the move to the downside has also been in three-wave format, 1, 2, 3 so far. Now, will this become a 5-wave structure, which is likely? They could make it a 5-wave structure, and the 4th wave like that, a collective wave can be anything, but most of the time we expect it to be 3 waves. So we might just see a trust breaking down again here, just to cap this base. They might cap this base or break it slightly, and they will return back to the upside. So, but if price begins to push ahead before tomorrow news without breaking it top, without breaking down, then once it breaks this top here at 18,700, then the price is back on top to the top. But for now, I see the possibility of they trying to push down this price, and we should expect reactions between 17,750 and 17,750 and 17,400 area, about 35 pips from the bottom, from this bottom. Yeah, this bottom is 17,7, about 1780 or 76 to 17,400 area. Around this area, about 35 pips, we should see price push up. So let's hold on. This thing is not going to fall. It's not even coming here. So let's just hold on for that reactions to occur. So, and that may just give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This wave as the wave 3 is completely gone. Everything I said. So even if you look at the RSI that I taught you, the RSI for this as 1, for this as 2, for this as 3 is still in place. We have not seen a wave 5. A wave 5, in a wave 5, you expect the price to push higher, but the RSI to drop lower. So we have not seen anything as in price pushing higher more than this place, and that is going to come. Of course, we are getting to the end of this thing, so we have to be very careful. Now, within 4-hour time frame, if you look at that, let's turn to it again. 4-hour time frame within this. Now, what I see here, this is complete as if it's going to be wave 1 is completed. This as a wave 2 is completed. Of course, we first thought it could be a B wave and a C wave to the downside. But if they take it low, then it becomes a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside. The minimum is a 3-wave correction without breaking this place for us to turn to the downside if they're going to do that. But if we begin to see a very voracious move to the upside from tomorrow, then they are going to take it up and break up as expected. Now, anyhow, we'll still make money from this market. Now, if this is wave 3, wave 1, wave 2, and a wave 3, then this might just be a major 4 that is completed now. So this might just be a 1 of 5, 2 of 5, then 3 of 5 in progress. Then the 3 of 5 around this area, we might just see the 4th wave, the 5th wave just to break down slightly, then a voracious move to the upside. So whatever they do, I think if you want to buy again, this area of 18,350 area will be a place to look for a buy stop. So let's continue to watch them and continue to do their nonsense. This thing is not going down. It's going to just touch down and turn up. So I will be finishing this. Across board, it's almost the same. If you look at the, okay, like I said, let's even look at the RSI. On 4-hour RSI here, to look at the 4-hour RSI of this particular structure. So 4-hour RSI. So we are seeing that this is a low here, which is equivalent to the low of wave 3 and probably a 4th wave. And this RSI will not break down before it turns sharply to the upside. So we are done. Technically, we are done. Of course, all they can do is to push price, splash it to the downside before they go up. If you look at the structure of USD, it's looking same. They may also cap the bottom. If they're going to do that, can you see? This is already moving to cap the bottom. So this is the 4th wave here. The same thing, a 1-2 situation, the 3rd wave in progress, and they might cap the bottom and break slightly lower and before they turn up. So it has become a 5-wave structure, and we'll see what happens thereafter. The NZD USD 2, I think they are turning also down to give us a zigzag wave to the downside before they move this thing to the upside. So this is the wave A and the wave B, and at wave C turn down to wave C, they are going to also turn this thing to the upside. So everything it's forming like that. So they are breaking down one more time. At 100 extension, you should expect. For me, this is wave 1, wave 2 so far, wave 3 in progress. They do a wave 4, wave 5, and they will turn to the upside. The USD yen also, it's wasting some time. They're wasting time here. They are just dragging price here. Just a quick update, and I'm going to end here. So they're just dragging here. So you cannot follow this thing to the upside. Again, we don't want to continue to buy from this level. So we just have to hold on and let them, drop the price for us to enter. So with that, I've come to the end of the short update. Bye.